The Advantage cups, I actually started using these when I first started cupping, so they're very near and dear to my heart. They're plastic cups. The plastic is nice and strong. You don't have to worry about the cups breaking. The pull of these it's strong, but it's super comfortable and gentle. It's just a different pull. If you have somebody that's recovering from a sporting injury and they just need that energy to get that lactic acid and kind of byproduct out, you can put a lot of these cups on the body and it's going to feel perfectly comfortable. I like to use these with detox cupping for that very reason. The cool thing about this too is that it comes with a tube. So you can attach the tube to the gun, apply the cup, and you can reach over the table and apply that cup without having to walk all the way around the table, apply the gun, and then come back. So if you have a limited amount of space or for some reason just need to be more stationary with your treatment, the Advantage cup is the way to go.